Hi everybody, my name is Hans-Christian Stuck and I'm the Global Marketing Advisor for AV Stumpfl. We're here in Amsterdam at the ISE 2020, and among the many products we're showing, one of the projection screen system highlights has to be the AT64-SHIFT system, which is basically a pair of legs for large mobile projection screens. Now usually, although it's not a problem in itself, it takes time to disassemble a large mobile projection screen. If you want to height adjust it in particular, you may have set it up and then you want to height adjust it, then you see, oh, maybe that stage isn't as level as it should be. Now with those AT64-SHIFT legs, what you can simply do is once you've assembled it within a matter of minutes, it just takes you a matter of seconds to then height adjust it. We have a clearly marked height scale here, and what you can do is, you can just easily pull it up. It's locked, it's there, and then you can check with your other buddies and see, like, is it level now? Is it perfect now the way I want it? And you can pull it down or slide it up again in a matter of seconds. Why not check out our website at www.avstumpfl.com and find out more about our projection screen systems and AT64-SHIFT in particular. Have a great show in Amsterdam.